Togo, l'un des résultats phares du projet lait maraîchage est l'accroissement des revenus agricoles ainsi que la lutte contre l'exode rural. Avant la mise en œuvre du projet dans son village, Kunjing Foli, comme beaucoup d'autres jeunes, avait pris la voie de l'exode rural. Il travaillait comme gérant de frigo à Lomé et ne gagnait que 25 000 francs CFA par mois. Il n'arrivait pas à joindre les deux bouts. Après une prise de conscience personnelle, il décide de quitter Lomé et de retourner à son village pour cultiver la terre. C'est ainsi qu'il devient un bénéficiaire du projet PLM.
Before the coming of this project, the work has been really tiresome. Usually we often draw water from a very deep well, put it in a watering can and then go and water. And the whole thing is a hectic one. But with the coming of the project, they managed to get us some machines to facilitate the work for us. And then, before then, even our practice, the way we practice the techniques that we use on the farms, I would say they are really archaic. And then with the coming of the project, they taught us how to go about with the seedlings, and then how to even prepare the beds, and then how to put the things in line. You know, before even the project came, sometimes we don't respect the distance between the two plants. But now they've taught us the distance. So with all that, I could say that there is a big change. We have acquired a lot of techniques.
Avec les conseils et l'appui des chercheurs de l'ITRA, il cultive la nouvelle variété, très productive, de piment blanc dans son jardin. Il arrive à doubler sa production ainsi que ses revenus.
Usually when I plant about 10 beds of 2 meters to 15 meters long, I can record probably 1 or 2 sacks out of it. But with the coming of the projects and how we're supposed to use this manure, the rational utilization of fertilizer and all those things has made it in such a way that my yield has increased. Instead of that 2 sacks on a bed, I cannot make up to 5 sacks on a bed. So with that white pepper alone, I could see that I have done a lot.
Ce producteur, membre de la plateforme d'innovation axée autour de la promotion du piment blanc, est un exemple de réussite. Aujourd'hui, il ne regrette pas son choix de retourner au village.